Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aliatulmazwin. I'm going to explain about problem breakdown. Mental health is an important component of total well-being, yet it is often overlooked due to stigma, a lack of understanding, and limited access to early therapies. The global burden of mental health illnesses continues to climb, affecting people of all ages, genders, and origins. Recognizing the need for early accessible tools that aid in the early detection of mental health concerns, the mental health diagnosis system arises as a response to this essential challenge. The system attempts to bridge the gap between individuals and mental health awareness by providing a user-friendly and informative platform for self-assessments. Next is objective. What is our objective for this project? The first one is identify the potential for mental health concerns in the early stage. Secondly, provide a user-friendly platform for individuals to assess their mental health. Thirdly, offer information about various mental health conditions and symptoms. Next is our data collections and facts. For the first disorder, which is anxiety, the facts for anxiety is rapid heartbeat and sweating. We got it from World Health Organization or WHO. Next is schizophrenia. The, the individual may have hallucinations and delusions. These facts taken from National Institute of Mental Health and IMF. Next is eating disorder. They will have extreme emotions, gain or lose weight. These were taken from Ministry of Malaysia. Next, about depressions. The patient may feeling lonely and lowering mood. These facts were taken from Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Next, obsessive-compulsive disorder or OCD. They tend to be perfectionists and unreasonable fears of germs. These facts were taken from American Psychiatric Associations. Next is post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. This caused a by traumatic event and become emotionally numb. It was taken from Office on Women's Health Post-Traumatic Stress Disorder. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum doctor, my name is Nurhairi Binti Abdul Razak, matric number B0322103008. Today I'll be presenting the methodology and tree graph for my group projects. So first, methodology, step 1, we will develop a production rules, which is the if-then rules, followed by asking the patient to insert their details such as name, IC number, gender, and age. And then step 3, we will generate questions, basically just a yes or no questions. And in step 4, we will ask the patients to answer specialized question to diagnose their mental health conditions. And in step 5, we will calculate the probability that the patients have certain or specific mental problems, and then we will display the results of the test. So this is the tree graph for my group projects. So first, the system will ask the patient if the patient have rapid heartbeat. If the patient say yes, then it will conclude that the patient sweating and in resulting the patient have anxiety. But if the patient say no, it will keep asking questions, which is hallucinations. And if the patient say yes, it will conclude that the patient is delusions and resulting in having schizophrenia. But if the patient say no, it will keep repeating asking questions until it come out with the result. And if the patients answer all the question no's, that means that the patient is having a good mental health, then it will display no mental problem. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haziq Danish bin Muhammad Rozi. For our group project, which is medical diagnosis system, we implement different function in our coding, such as template function, truth maintenance function, getting data from user and other staff, fair and rule plus conditional element plus user input, fair and rule plus condition, multiple pattern matching, and variable by using bind. For result and discussion, the user will enter their personal details such as name, IC number, age, and gender. Then they will answer a series of questions, and the system will calculate their disease based on the question they answer, yes or no. Based on the result that answered by Hakim, it is said that Hakim has eating disorder, which rating is 1.16. Anxiety has rating of 1.0. Depression has a rating of 0.875. PTSD has rating of 0.75. And OCD has rating of 0.75. In the conclusion, the correct mental health diagnosis system adopts a rule-based approach to analyze user-provided system and evaluate the possibility of various diseases. User answers a series of questions and the algorithm calculates probability for each condition based on a predefined rule. While the method can provide a quantitative indication of potential mental health difficulties, it is important to note that it is not a replacement for professional diagnosis and treatment. Addressing ethical consideration, user privacy, and refining the model are essential. Ongoing collaboration with mental health professionals to ethical guidelines are crucial for responsible development and deployment of such tool. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ameerah Binti Nurhairi. So today I will demonstrate our project mental health diagnosis system. So I've put our code inside Silips and right now I'm gonna run it. If let's say our patient name is Mira, it will be output as Mira. M is capital letter because I've coded it. So put it our IC number 22, female. You can type it female, male, or F or M. So if let's say I put it no for the question, all question, this is the general question. So if the general question the patient said no, it will output as your patient seems to have shown no symptom at all. So the patient have a good mental health. Okay. So next we go another patient name. As example, we take as Razik. The IC number we just put it as 2131 31, and male. If let's say this is yes, yes, overcome over difficulties, yes, nope, um, no, losing confidence lately, no, worthless person, yes, trembling, yes, yes, nope. So this part of question have studied for question specialized question. Specialized question for this is anxiety. Yes, yes, yes. So having experienced images or sound not real, no, no. Disorganized thinking, nope. So the experience images or sounds that is for specialized question for schizophrenia and low in mood. This is for depression. If say yes, daring too fast, yes. Doing unnecessary habit. This question is for OCD. Nope, nope, nope. Emotional numb. Nope. So that is the result. For schizophrenia, is rating of 1.16 something. So the severity is above 1.0 is severe, below 0.8 is moderate, below 0.5 is mild, and zero point 0.0 is healthy. So the output not gonna be zero point 0, because if once the patient said yes at the general question, it already total up as the mental health system analyzed. The severity will be organized as the most and the less. So schizophrenia first, anxiety second, eating disorder 1, depression 0.8, OCD 0.75, PTSD has rating 0.75. Okay, that's all for our demonstration. Thank you.